Today we'll be talking about the risks that currently threaten the prosperity of winter skiing in our own Hudson Valley and the reality that Monday may result in snowmore winter in our region. My name is Karina Pascucci and I'm here with my partners,
Matt Farrow,
Billy Teed,
and Marie Antonelli.
Just to provide an overview, today we'll be hitting on the drivers, impacts, and adaptations related to this issue. Basically, warming winters are resulting in less snowfall during the winter seasons. This lack of low temperatures and snowfall is resulting in negatively impacting the length of ski seasons for resorts in the area, such as Belleyeare, Windham, and Hunter Mountains. Looking closer at our driver, historic weather winter provides useful graphs to visualize how climate change has led to increasing temperatures during the winter months over the years. CO2 emissions and greenhouse gas presence in the atmosphere is leading to a continual rise in average winter temperatures. As presented by the graphs, during the winter of 1969, the daily average is below 30 degrees Fahrenheit, with the highest temperature being 50 degrees, whereas in 2023, the daily average has jumped to 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, with the highest temperature being 68 degrees.
this rise in temperature has caused an increase in evaporation and in turn an increase in precipitation, which melts fallen snow that is on the ground so snow cannot pack together to create ideal skiing conditions. In the winter of 1969, there was minimal drizzles and frequent moderate snowfall, whereas in 2023, there is common moderate and heavy rain with limited snowfall. Between 1958 and 1966, almost 20 ski resorts were opening per year due to high tourist attraction, great snowy conditions, and high profitability. In 1990, the IPCC released a fifth assessment report, which declared climate change was humanly induced and will create warmer weather year-round. After this report was released, 4 or less ski resorts opened per year from 1990 to 2020 due to climate change effects.
The lack of snowfall in the Poughkeepsie area has significantly hindered ski resorts in the local area, creating shorter skiing seasons. National skier visits averaged 55.4 million between 2001 and 2016, and in the latest 5 lowest snow years, average skier visits dropped by 5.5 million. Past regular skier visits generated approximately $692.9 million in revenue, and in recent years, ski resort value has dropped by $252 million and over $5 billion in the past 2 decades. Past regular ski seasons have provided people with 53,000 jobs, but recently, employment positions have dropped by 17,400. The figure on the right demonstrates the decrease in skier visits and the revenue generated per visit for the NSAA. Particularly, there is a large decrease in the Northeast. The average ski season in the Hudson Valley ranges from late November to early April. In recent years, the average current ski season in the Hudson Valley has declined by 12 to 14%. Particularly in 2011, Belleyeare had a 25-day season, Windham 44 days, and Hunter 80 days. Future skiing seasons are projected to shorten by 14 to 33 days with continuous low emissions and projected to shorten by 27 to 62 days with continuous high emissions. This will further the decline in revenue for local ski resorts. And the figure on the right demonstrates Northeast predictions for future ski seasons and days depending on the RCP level.
For adaptation strategies, we look to snow guns. Snow guns create artificial snow in high temperatures, and there are 2 ways in which they may operate. One is that cooled water is pumped into a high-pressure air compressor, and the compressed air atomizes the water, which is then blown into the air, and the droplets cool as they fly. The other is that ice flakes are shaved from frozen barrels, and then the flakes are fired out using a high-powered fan. These snowmakers can pump 20 gallons per minute and produce 60 tons of snow per day in any environment. The artificial snow is made up of individual ice flakes, which are much colder and more durable against warm temperatures. Adding on to that, we also look to GIS technology. GIS stands for Geographic Information Systems, and with GIS technology, an operation executive can study maps of ski slopes and toggle on data layers that show weather trends, sun exposure, long-term temperature predictions, wind, and much more. GIS can indicate parts of a resort where natural snow supply is prone to ebb and calculate snowpack, and then guide the placement of snow guns for efficient and even distribution. GIS dashboards can also integrate data from the mountain's control system, create maps of water leaks or excessive electricity use, which can guide a resort's efforts to reduce its carbon footprint and operate more environmentally friendly.